Welcome back to the Lynn Motorcycles YouTube channel. I'm Mike from Guildford Custom, based here at the world famous Guildford Harley-Davidson. Back again today to bring you another custom bike walk around. Today we have this beautiful 2019 Breakout. Released in 2018, the Breakout in the Milwaukee 8 platform came with a 107-inch motor and a 114-inch motor. In English money, that's 1745cc and 1868cc. As you can see, this bike is far from standard. Very, very pleased with the way this came out. Now, let's talk about the bike front to back. The brief was simple. Let's keep it blacked out, mean, flash of colour, real pro street looks. So starting up front, we have a 21-inch Nitro RevTech front wheel. Kept the standard fender because it's a good looking fender as it is. Then we have nitrate coated the fork uppers in this beautiful kind of anodized black finish. Headlight visor, just think that really adds to the aesthetic. Stuck with the standard bars but blacked out the console. Still got that digital dash that comes with the bike as standard. Just a really nice feature, cleans up the bars quite a lot. Empire Collection grips and mirrors, blacked out levers to complete that blacked out front end look. Went to our partners at Thunderbike in Germany and got one of their beautifully crafted aluminium gas tanks flowing in to one of their seat pans, which has been beautifully crafted by our good friends at D-Class Automotive. This is half Napa leather and Alcantara with a nice diamond stitch and a little red stitching on the outer just to, you know, bring in the paintwork. Rear fender, again, from our good friends at Thunderbike. They're just really nicely finished. You know, you've got your tail light indicators all built into the back here. And then, I mean, the paintwork, expertly executed by my very good friends at Image Design Custom. So thank you guys very much for that. Heading into the back end, you know, these fenders really show off the tyre. We've upgraded the tyre on this one to a 260. You can run a 260 tyre on a standard Breakout rim. They come as a 240mm as standard. You can go up to 260 without any kind of modification. So when your tyres are up and you want to go a little bigger, you can do. Metzeler is the choice on this one. Matching rotors and pulley, front rear on the wheels, so all in the Nitro style from RevTech, which is superb. And we've obviously gone with the side mount plate as well, just to show off more of the tyre. Coming around to the engine, blacked out motor and a stage 2 torque cam. So this is running a little bit extra punch, which is great. Excellent for the overtaking. We've gone for the torque cam on this one rather than the power cam. Gives you a nice power delivery throughout the entire rev range. Vance & Hines big radius pipes, 2x2, sound absolutely superb. And then this lovely Screaming Eagle heavy breather. Let's fire this bike up, show you what it sounds like. Aggressive pro street styling, stunning paint, blacked out, looks great in the sunshine. Looks great anywhere, to be honest. Lowered in the rear as well, just to tuck that tyre up under the fender a little bit. Really excited to take this one for a ride. Let's go do that.